it's me again. We are in part 2. You have to watch part 1 if you didn't watch part 2. So, sorry for the back noises because the rain is so noisy. That's why. Okay, let's check our slime now. If you finish doing it, just wait for 1 hour and check this video. Okay, let's check now. Wait. Okay, let's check our one. If it is fake or not here. So let's check. It's a little bit, but it's not real slime yet. Okay, you have to. I think you have to put some salt or something. Yeah. I'll put some salt. Wait. Okay. No. I made a mess. Let me clean that up first. Okay, where's tissue? Here's tissue. Okay. Now, just clean it up. Okay. If your slime isn't ready to be slime, so mix it with salt or something. I don't know that ingredient yet. So I think you have to put. I think you have to put some. You have to put in the freezer too. So for 24 hours. For our part 3. Part 3, I will give you the feedback. No, if I could give you, I'll just leave it. Okay, I'll just say in this part 2 comments, like sorry for not there for part 3. Okay, let's put it. I only have 1 minute left. Okay. I don't even know how to put. Okay, tomorrow I have a party, so I have to go. So I don't have time. So bye, guys. See you in part 3 or not. Bye.